Hey guys, J8 Shuffler7 here with a new trick. Today I'll be showing you how to do a trick that Chris Pratt performed a few years ago on the Graham Norton Show. This is a trick. When I saw it, I thought it was really cool and I learned it, and now it's probably my favorite trick to perform. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Let's get started. So first, what you're going to want to do is riffle through the deck and find the third card. You're going to want to do it in a pretty fast motion and kind of don't make it obvious that you are looking for the cards. When you take the deck, just play with it a little, mess around, and then take a peek at the card. Don't make it obvious though, so the spectator doesn't get an idea of what you are doing. So once you see the card, you will make 3 piles. Okay, so you're going to ask the spectator to take the top card, put it face up on either of the outside piles, put this card face up on that pile, and this third card is their card. Now, in the actual trick, you won't want to look at it. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we will look at it. So then once the spectator memorizes their card, you will ask them to put it in the middle pile. You'll take the 2 face-up cards, put one on top, one on bottom, and get the deck back together as one. Now, the face-up cards don't have any meaning in the trick at all. It's just kind of, I guess, to throw off the spectator a little, to make them think that those 2 cards do help you find their card in the end, but really they have no purpose in the trick. They're just kind of for show, I guess. So then, now you're going to ask the spectator to shuffle the deck 4 times. So, since you already know their card, it really does not matter what they do to shuffle or how they shuffle, as long as they shuffle the deck. So now you're gonna go through the deck and find their card. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to get it into the 4th position from the bottom. So you're gonna go through it, sort through the cards, make it look like you're really looking. And don't just, like, if you find their card, don't just, like, immediately take it to the bottom of the deck. Don't make it too obvious what you are doing. Just, like, gradually get it to the 4th position. Okay. And once you have this set up, you are good to go. So now you can say that you need a couple of guesses or a few guesses to figure out their card. So on your first guess, you're going to ask them if this is a card. Hopefully they'll say no, and you're just going to put it down, and then the next card, you're just going to burn it to the top of the deck. So for the next card, their card is the 4th card, so you obviously can't put this card down and burn their card, otherwise that would kind of end the trick right now. So what you're gonna do is ask them if this is a card. Hopefully they'll say no again. You're gonna take your fingers, push it down, and as you push it down, you're gonna take your fingers and pull on their card. and then put their card down and burn this card. So I'm going to ask them and slide it. Take their card, what they think is this card, but in reality it's their card, and then put this card to the top. And holding the deck like this grip will make it so when you push this card back, they won't be able to see it because of your grip. So that card's on top now. And then your third guess, you don't have to do anything special. You just put it down, burn a card. Fourth guess, burn a card. And at this point, they will think that you completely messed up the trick. But you will say, it's fine, I didn't mess up, your card is actually in this pile. And they'll probably think that you completely lost it. So, for the first move, since their card is the second card, you're going to do that same move as before. So hold the deck with this grip, push it with your fingers, take their card, put their card down, burn this top card, ask them if this is theirs, they'll say no, put it down, and either of these. And since one of these is a duplicate, you're kind of going to want to don't make it too obvious, otherwise they will probably notice that there is a duplicate and question the whole trick. So, at this point, their card is on the bottom, so you're going to ask them for a fist bump, which is kind of a fun way to do it, or you just ask them to make a fist, because in the end you will want to get the cards like this. So they'll make a fist, and you will put the cards in, their card on bottom, slap the deck, and then reveal their card. That is the trick, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please subscribe, and I will have new tricks uploaded soon. I'm trying to get a lot more. So thank you so much for watching.